Hello traders, a fixed trader from topinvestmentalerts.com here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for BYSD, Bayside Petroleum Corporation, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out here is that we had actually alerted this stock last week, and it ran a little over 109%. Since then, it's, and this was the day we ran it right here, we called it, and our subscribers really helped to bring this up, and heard from a lot of people. They made a lot of money on this one. People were really happy. The next day there was a little bit of a sell-off, and then it started consolidating, as you can see here. And today it showed signs that it's ready to bounce back, as it closed at 0046. So this brought us a pretty sweet chart setup because it crossed above the 20-day simple moving average, the 13-day exponential moving average, and it's just sitting pretty right now. The PARSAR is underneath the price per share, which is a buy signal as far as that indicator goes. The Bollinger Bands are still trading within the Keltner channels, so a pinch play is technically still in the question until these Bollinger Bands explode outside of the Keltner channels, which it seems like that's not necessarily imminent, but it is growing in that direction. Let's see here. We've got the RSI looking really good, as both the 5-period RSI and the 14-period RSI have just spiked up into the buy zone, which is anything between 50 and 70. We've got the 14-period RSI sitting at 50.67, and the 5-period RSI just crossed over that, which is another bullish sign because it is at 54.26. So RSI is looking very bullish, and again, that's one thing we like to see here is this bullish divergence as far as the RSI goes. I'm going to draw a line really quickly here to show that. So the RSI has been seeing higher lows as the price per share has been seeing lower lows. Basically what that means is it's bullish divergence, and it's a bullish sign, it's a bullish indicator coming from that RSI. So chart-wise, so far, RSI is looking fantastic. The overall short-term momentum indicator of breaking through this 20-day simple moving average and the 13-day exponential moving average, very bullish. Closed at a high of day, also very bullish, and pretty solid volume. As you can see here, the average is at about right here, and the overall volume closed up at 3.7 million, so more than twice the average volume based on a 60-day simple moving average. More stuff worth pointing out here would be that the MACD is still trending upwards, and it is positively crossed over still. That crossover from back here in late June is holding and maintaining very strongly, so we just want to see this continue to separate and see this histogram actually go back up. In terms of accumdist and OBV, it's reading accumulation. Both of them spiked up in agreement, which means that the volume backs up the move and makes it significant. So definitely a lot of shares accumulated today. The CMF, Chaikin Money Flow here, sitting in bullish territory, as 0.2 is considered bullish. We're sitting at 0.208. 0.4 is considered extremely bullish, so we want to see this continue to spike up there just as accumulation comes in, because that's what the Chaikin Money Flow reads as accumulation. As that accumulation comes in, we'll see that continue to rise. So we really want to keep our eyes on that CMF indicator. The Williams %R, we want to see this one generally spike up and maintain this overbought reading. This is one of the few indicators you actually want to see it consistently overbought, but you want to see it oscillate within this this channel of being overbought here. And currently we're sitting at negative 43.18 down here. Again, we just want to see this spike up into this overbought category and stay in there. That would be the most bullish sign from that short-term momentum indicator. The ROC sitting in pretty volatile territory. Nice little spike up here today as we saw a little bounce. Just want to see another kind of spike up like this would be ideal if that happened tomorrow, which is Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2013. And finally, the Trix indicator, again, still maintaining that bullish crossover from July 13th-ish, and it's distancing itself from this white line here. So got short-term momentum growing. I really like this chart. The BYSD chart is looking fantastic today. I have a feeling that it could be pretty crazy come tomorrow, but these are just my views. Please read the full disclaimer at www.topinvestmentalerts.com, and thanks for watching. Good luck trading.